Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake mini, full guide. Preheat oven to 325 degrees F and line a muffin tin with paper cups. Start by pulsing graham crackers and mixing with melted butter for a simple crust. Beat cream cheese until ultra smooth, then add sugar, eggs one at a time, and vanilla. Spoon filling over crust, bake gently, and cool before chilling to set for a perfect tiny cheesecake treat. Room temperature cream cheese makes a silky filling, so start early and let it soften. Beat on low speed, scraping the bowl often to fold in all the cream and sugar evenly, and add eggs one at a time to keep the mixture stable. Avoid high speed or overmixing once eggs are added to reduce air and cracks, and fold in flavorings like lemon zest or vanilla gently for consistent mini cheesecakes every time. Bake the minis at 325 degrees F for about 18 to 22 minutes. You want the centers to wobble slightly, but the edges to be set. Cool them on a wire rack for around 30 minutes to avoid condensation in the liners, then chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or ideally overnight to firm up fully. This patient cooling gives a creamy texture and clean slices when you release them from the liners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.